going to take a closer look at some of the areas that have the worst damage. Fox 4's DIONNE ANGLIN in the town of Tolar in Hood County. DIONNE.
Yeah, that's right, Clarice. The families here are both devastated and determined to overcome their losses. And just a quick look around and you will see they are great. The storm itself, the experience, some find it tough to talk about, but others, well, they consider it part of moving forward.
Shock, sadness, and chaos. Jack Fisk, owner of the Tolar Mobile Home Park, survived the storm, but he's still reeling from seeing his two neighbors, a husband and wife, who were tossed about and injured.
We found Glenda in the middle of it, and she could still walk. And Johnny was blown out the back end of it. He was up against the yellow trailer there next door.
The storm twisted and ripped apart most of the trailers in the small community. Emotional.
I hit my knees and I said, "Lord, save us." And I thought, well, okay, what am I supposed to do? So I ran to the closet. It's the most reinforced area in the house, and I got in that. And by the time I got in there, it was over. I mean, just, wow, it's gone.
Jimmy Hill was right there and rushed to help. His trailer was spared.
Well, I lived down at the far end. My house wasn't touched. They were conscious but very incoherent.
I understand you had to dig them out?
Yeah, Glenda was under 2 sections of wall. And I dug her out and got her out from under the debris. And then that's when Jack hollered, said he found Johnny. So I went and helped him get Johnny out.
The husband.
Mm-hmm.
Tremendous loss, but already resilience, donations, and helping hands. The American Red Cross, local businesses, and some who live nearby, like Martina Granith, who realize, in the scope of it all, a tiny gesture like plucking a hat from a tree can make a huge impact.
Unbelievable. We couldn't believe it. We've seen tornadoes go through here before, and they kind of miss here and there, but just knowing that it's just down the road from us, it's unbelievable.
Now, as we stand here, you can see some of the folks are working diligently, and they've been moving some of the structures that were blown about off of trees and apart from each other. Pretty much, that's the way it's gone here all day since this storm early this morning. But in terms of the victims here, Johnny and Glenda Walker, we are told they are hospitalized in Fort Worth with multiple injuries, but are expected to recover. It's the latest live here in Tolar. Clarice, back to you.
Powerful statements, DIONNE, from the survivors. Thank you. Now we want to take you southwest of Tolar to Stephenville. The National Weather Service confirmed an EF1 tornado there this morning. Fox 4's Phil Alvarado talked to storm victims and rescuers about what they saw. Phil.
Hi, Clarice. A lot of people were being told that this was straight line winds, but they knew different. They knew that this had to be a tornado. And there is damage all over Stephenville. Some of the worst is right here at the Lillian apartment complex. A lot of students from Tarleton State University live here. There was only one injury, but because students were on spring break, it saved a lot more people from being injured. Residents from the Lillian apartment complex are packing up what they have left. They can't stay here. A look all the way around the complex shows you why. Walls and roofs are gone. One woman was found taking cover in the bathtub. She had a bad cut on her leg. Now, most of the residents here are students, as we said, from Tarleton State University. Across town, Foster's Home for Children had to be evacuated. 43 foster children have been relocated for at least 2 days. None of the kids were hurt, but there's too much damage for them to stay.
We did evacuate all of the kids because we could smell natural gas, and with all of the down power lines, we knew it wasn't a safe place.
So the roof started ripping off, and my apartment was the one on the very end, and I guess it all landed on top of my apartment, so it was really loud, it was shaky, scary.
A Dublin police officer who lives in the Lillian apartment complex was able to rescue that woman who was injured. He says that she had a bad cut on her leg, but she is expected to be okay. Again, the damage here is pretty severe, but you see this almost everywhere. Some places, like right across the street, there's absolutely no damage. So residents knew that they were looking at a tornado, and now we've confirmed that it was an F1 tornado that hit Stephenville. Clarice?
Phil, thank you. Right now we want to give you a live look. This is from Sky 4, and this is the trailer park in Tolar in Hood County. And again, as DIONNE ANGLIN just told us, 2 people injured here, but they are expected to be okay. But just look at exactly how extensive that damage is.